Yo, it's Heartbreak Bobby from Lids and Kicks. Welcome back to another video. And today we have an unboxing and on feet for the Off-White x Nike Air Max 97. Alright, so welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we out here at the new home of Lids and Kicks. We out here in Los Angeles, California. I'm in college now, so it's gonna be our first sneaker review. Life-changing moments right here. So let's get into it. I'm sure you guys all know what this is, the Nike x Off-White Air Max 97. This is the original colorway from November of 2017. And then there's actually a new colorway releasing very soon. It might be like today or tomorrow, October 17th, for like the black version. All right, so first off, you guys know it has the classic Virgil Abloh style with the quotation marks, everything, quotation marks, red zip tie, green lace tips. Then I was able to pick these up used at Round 2 Hollywood. And this is a great sportswear shoe, great for running, walking, etc. You know what I'm saying? It's great for style also, which is like why most people get like the Off-White sneakers. I don't really know what else to say, guys, man. This is a dope shoe. It's really dope. It's really dope on feet. Really glad I picked these up. We're gonna get into the unboxing and on feet portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Heartbreak Bobby, Lids and Kicks. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Peace.
It's a fucking money shot.
Yeah.